For sale, this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT double cab is a light-duty pickup that blends performance, utility, and comfort, making it a versatile solution for both work fleets and personal use. Outfitted with factory packages, including trailering support and infotainment upgrades, this truck is ready to serve contractors, service techs, or anyone in need of a well-rounded, reliable pickup. Under the hood is a GM EcoTec3 5.3L V8 gasoline engine producing 355 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed 8L90 automatic transmission. Built on a 147-inch wheelbase chassis, it features a GVWR of 7,000 lbs, spring suspension, and a rear 4R2 drivetrain with auto-locking rear differential for improved traction. The 24-gallon fuel tank supports longer range, while the steel wheels and double cab configuration provide utility without sacrificing passenger space. This Silverado comes equipped with the Autotrac transfer case, auto start-stop system, chrome bumpers, and Chevrolet's Infotainment 3 system with 8-inch touchscreen for seamless connectivity and control. The bed measures 6.5 feet and is ideal for cargo transport or upfitting with job site accessories. With both towing and comfort packages included, the truck is suited for light-duty hauling, service applications, or day-to-day utility. Finished in white with a gray interior, this vehicle has a clean Carfax and accident-free history. It's a fleet-maintained unit with documented service and is fully ready to be put to work.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.